Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how to fix hotspot problem in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first you have to open your settings. Then friends you have to go to the connection and devices, and you can go to network and internet also. So here it is, hotspot and tethering. You can enable hotspot from here. So you can see this one, hotspot. So you have to just simply tap on here, and here it is, the hotspot password. If it is not connecting, you have to remove this password and try again with a new password. You can enable the speed and compatibility by increasing the speed, faster speed compatible with some devices. If you have selected this one, select this one, and if you want more speed, you can select this one also. So here it is, manage devices. You can see there is no device limit, so you can select the device limit if you have one and connecting to, so it will be a problem for the other device to connect. So you can manage all the devices from here, and if it is not fixing, you have to just restart your smartphone, it will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.